Hi everyone, this is me Jyoti Rading and today is my new vlog and I'm very excited for this vlog because this is my first question and answer round and I'm very nervous also like what to reply and what to answer. But let's see, I will not lie, not fake it on anything because I never do. So I'll try to make it very simple and let's see. Anyways, thank you everyone for your questions and I loved it and I'm so thankful that you guys are so supportive. And I have crossed 1000 subscribers, so I thought of making this video and so let's do it. So here's my first question from Iname, my childhood friend, and she's a very good singer. Let's see what's in.
Hi Jyoti, I hope you're doing well. Well, my question to you would be, what's the biggest challenge you faced in your life until now, and how did you overcome it?
If I have to tell you my biggest challenge, that would be being myself every time. Just kidding. My biggest challenge was till now there's many challenges that I have faced, but this is the biggest challenge I faced in my college days. Like I was the only girl in my class. I have done electrical engineering, so I was the only girl in my class among 72 other boys. Like 71 other boys, I was 72. So if my classmates are watching, then please don't kill me. They used to love me, and they used to call me Jojo. But for me, it was very difficult. At first, it was very difficult to survive there. That was the biggest challenge, I will say, and that was only a challenge. The second challenge, the biggest one would be got detained in my college. Like at first my classroom used to be near my hostel, but later on in the last semester it happened to be in a very like far, like the engineering blocks were very far from our hostel. It was in the campus, but it was 45 minutes of walk. So in final year I got detained. That was the biggest challenge, I will say, that I have come across. I have attended my semester again with there was no friend around, there was nobody. All of my friends were got passed out and they left our college, so I was alone there. I was very sad that how will I survive there, but somehow I did, and today I'm an engineer. I'm so happy. So, these are the challenges. There are more challenges in my life, but I will say this. I will tell you that this challenge, because every challenge is a challenging part. So, anyway, thank you for your question, and I love you.
हेलो ज्योति राधिंग, हमारा आपसे यही प्रश्न है कि आपका बर्थडे पार्टी हमें कब मिलेगा?
Hello, Tanbang. To your question, as you said, मेरा बर्थडे पार्टी आपको कब मिलेगा? तो my birthday is already gone. It was on July 13. So आपको मेरा बर्थडे अभी तो नहीं मिलेगा. नेक्स्ट बर्थडे पार्टी नेक्स्ट ईयर ही मिलने वाला है. वैसे मेरे two of my friend, this Tatbang and Jirbang is a very good friend to me in here rowing. मैं सबसे अच्छा दोस्त है वो लोग. तो उन्होंने मुझे मेरा बर्थडे में मेरा गाड़ी का कवर भी गिफ्ट दिया है.
हाय मैम, आपके Q&A पर मेरा ये क्वेश्चन रहेगा कि आपका जो 1K सब्सक्राइबर तक का जर्नी था वो कैसा रहा? आप उसे एक शॉर्ट वे में बता सकते हैं? परसिस्टेंस, पेशेंस, सब कुछ कैसा था आपके 1K पहुंचने और आपको वो फीलिंग कैसा फीलिंग लगा आपको ना? तो मैं वही पूछना चाहता हूँ.
थैंक यू मीहू भाई for your question. Like he's also a vlogger actually. So I want to say that actually 1000 पहुंचना was never my dream. कुछ भी it was never my dream to reach anywhere or to do anything. Like it was always my interest that stood there for me. Like I am not a big blogger or anything. I do things for my own interest. Like I don't vlog for earning, or I don't vlog for receive anything, but the love I'm getting is so pure, and then people are liking me. That's the big thing, because I never thought that my interest would be shown to people and that people will like it. and I'm so happy for that people are liking me. And then to your question also, I suddenly reached 1K. I was stuck in 400 or 500 for like 2 months like that. And after that, suddenly when it was 4 months and I uploaded some videos, and then after that suddenly it crossed 1K subscriber, and I was like, oh god, actually I have crossed like that. क्या ऐसा हो गया क्या, cross हो गया क्या? So I am happy that people are liking me, and I thank you to everyone for who have subscribed me, even if not subscribed but watch my videos. Thank you so much. Keep loving me. Thank you, Pera, for your question. I'm so feeling funny.
Hi Jyoti, so my question for you is, you have been in a serious relationship for almost 5 to 6 years, and I still remember you telling me that, Pera, he is the one, and you see your future with him. And now that you guys have broken up and you've been single for almost 3 years, so my question for you is that, are you going to be in a serious relationship, or are you just waiting for some Prince Charming to come on your white horse and carry you back? Just kidding. I just want to know is, why are you still single, being so pretty?
How can you be so dramatic? Yes, of course, everyone when they are in a relationship, they think they're gonna marry that person, or that they're gonna have family with them. Like, I've been to a very beautiful relationship for the past 6.5 years, and we've been broken up for like 2 years, I think. And I'm replying this because not to hurt anybody. This is just the question she have asked. I think I should reply that. Yeah, I was in a relationship for a very long period, and I was happy also. And suddenly things came up, and mutually decided not to be together anymore because nothing like that. And I'm not. And to your second question, I'm not waiting for anyone right now. I was very insecure last year. I was very insecure that what gonna happen to me, whom I'm gonna marry, what will I do, like that. I was very insecure, but जैसे जैसे टाइम चला गया, एंड देन like अभी मैं जैसे हूँ, I'm exploring my life, and I'm living my life the way I want. I used to live my life the way I want before also, but now I think I'm focusing on myself more, and and I'm not waiting for anybody. If things will happen, then it will happen. If not, then I'll stay like that forever. And I have no problem being an independent woman. I don't think there shouldn't be a problem for that. That every girl wants a wants a Prince Charming to be in her life, of course. I will take a leap of faith this time. My destiny will decide what I'll get, and I hope I'll get the best out of everything. Thank you. And Pera, I'll kill you when I'll meet you for this question. And she's also a vlogger. Please do subscribe her. I'll put every names who are doing vlogging. I'll put everyone's name. Thank you for your such a irritating question.
हेलो ज्योति, मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ. आप इतनी खूबसूरत है, मुझे भी अपने ब्यूटी टिप्स बताइए प्लीज.
No, you're so irritating. What she said? Jyoti, आप इतनी खूबसूरत हो, please अपनी beauty tips बताएं. No, I'm not pretty. I look okay. And there is no beauty tips of mine. I stay happy. I try to stay happy. Like, then staying happy, I think I'm a very, very overthinking person. But I always try to overcome it. Like, I do things because of that, to not to think too much. Because of that, I think I stay pretty. I think because I stay positive. That Nonang, I will tell you, beauty lies within you. The way you're going to show it to people, the way you're gonna receive it. I'm having a pimples over here, so I don't know. I don't have any beauty tips. Thank you, Nanang.
Hello Jyoti Di, how are you to find out? आज आपको हम एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला है और शायद से ये क्वेश्चन का जवाब सुन के बहुत लोग का दिल भी टूटने वाला है। तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या आपका कोई बॉयफ्रेंड है?
हेलो मिंगल, आपका क्वेश्चन से किसी का दिल टूटने वाला नहीं है, बिकॉज आई एम सिंगल एंड आई वांट टू बी सिंगल फॉर सम टाइम एटलीस्ट. And Minga is a very good vlogger. Like, he recently started his vlogging and he's so funny. His vlogs are, I'll put the photos. Minga, I love your Rakuda wala script or acting or role. That is very cute. Hi Mandeep and Yakin Radhen. Hi to both. Because आप दोनों का क्वेश्चन सेम है तो I'm answers together.
हाँ दीदी, सो मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि आप क्या बोलते हैं यूट्यूब बिजनेस और जॉब तीनों एक साथ कैसे संभाल लेते हैं? इतना बिजी लाइफ कैसे आप इंजॉय भी कर लेते हैं, अपना टाइम भी निकाल लेते हैं? मेरा यही क्वेश्चन है.
Congratulations to you on hitting 1K subscriber on YouTube. The question I also wanted to ask you is that, as we all know, you own a boutique and then you are an engineer, and now that you have started blogging too. So I just wanted to ask you that how you manage your time in between this all stuff.
Like, I'm being an engineer and I'm running a business also, my own boutique in Itanagar. So time manage करना it's very easy. If you know how to manage your life, how to manage everything and how to handle everything, you will know to manage your time. नौकरी तो ये है. I don't do 9 to 5 job because I'm an engineer. I need to go to my site. Most of the time we were in our sites and all. If we don't have any work going on, में काम नहीं चल रहा होता, ये नहीं हो रहा था, तो हम लोग ब्रेक ले लेते हैं आराम से, क्योंकि हमारा तो वही है. Like, we don't do 9 to 5 job. Being an engineer, we don't stay in a table like 9 to 5 hours. Mostly we are in a site, and me being junior engineer, the high paid labor. So we are on a site only. But जब काम नहीं होता है तो we can easily manage our time. तो उस बीच में मेरा दुकान है ईटानगर में, तो उसके लिए भी टाइम मिल जाता है कि, और वहाँ पे मेरा बहन आंगम चलाता है दुकान को, तो मैं यहाँ से सिर्फ ऑनलाइन से सब कुछ हम दोनों यहाँ से वो करते हैं, कम्युनिकेट करता है. एवरीथिंग इज़ डन बाय ऑनलाइन. एंड बीच में कभी जाके देख लेती हूँ. तो इट्स बीन लाइक 6 or 7 months ड्यू टू दिस कोरोना वायरस थिंग. आई हैवंट बीन टू माई ओन स्टोर, बट आई विल गो आफ्टर सम मंथ. तो वही है. और व्लॉगिंग तो क्या है, आप घूमते घूमते बना लेते हो, आप बैठते बना लेते हो. यू डोंट नीड टाइम फॉर दैट. इट जस्ट दैट हैपन. तो for me to managing things are very easy. I don't know, but it's very easy. It happens in my regular day, regular time, like that only. तो आप दोनों को यही बोलूँगी कि लाइफ में स्ट्रेस मत लो. जो चीज़ जब होगा ना तब करो आराम से. जो चीज़ जब नहीं हुआ है उसको कभी गलती से भी इतना मत सोचा करो. जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो एवरी टाइम, एंड कुछ करना है कर लो. सो यही है नथिंग एंड मंदिर भाई के लिए. और थैंक यू फॉर आप दोनों का क्वेश्चंस के लिए. इट्स वेरी स्वीट. थैंक यू. हेलो मिस गागा गाओ बेस्ती, थैंक यू फॉर योर क्वेश्चन. आप और संजय ने सेम क्वेश्चन पूछा है, तो आई विल आंसर दैट टुगेदर.
Hi Jyoti. Being a best friend, I just want to know that when are you getting married? When will I get to see my mappa? शादी कर लो यार, सल्लू बनना है क्या?
कब शादी करेगा?
आप दोनों को तो मैं शादी तभी करूँगी ना जब मुझे कोई मिलेगा. हाउ कैन आई सेटल फॉर लेस? आई एम नॉट सेटलिंग फॉर लेस, सो आई विल नॉट गेट मैरिड एनी सूनर. इफ माई बिकॉज अभी टाइम भी नहीं है ना to fall in love, to have butterflies in your heart. It's already gone. I think it's dead already. It's already gone. So I don't think कि अभी like I'll be able to do that kind of things, but if it happens then happens. लेकिन आप दोनों का जीजाजी तभी मिलेगा जब मुझे कोई मिलेगा अच्छा वाला, जब मुझे मेरा ड्रीम बॉय मुझे ढूंढ के आए और मुझे मिले, उसके बाद मिलेगा. टिल देन आई एम जस्ट थिंक लाइक दैट. और नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज़ ऐसा क्वेश्चन पूछना बंद कर दीजिए, जब मिलेगा आप लोगों को सबसे पहले बता दूँगी. Hello Kornoy Mega, you're the very good singer and I love your voice so much and thank you for your question.
Hi Jyoti Radhe. So I've seen all of your videos and हमको आपका videos बहुत पसंद है. तो my question for you is, what is that one thing you fear about लेकिन आज तक आपने किसी को बताया नहीं?
It's very tricky. You have asked me the most trickiest question, but I will answer it in a very simple way. It scares you, but you have not told anybody yet. So I'll tell you. I think when I was in class 3 or 2, I used to have a panic attack sleeping beside my mother, and I keep crying the whole night. And she finds out that I am crying, that she asks me always, क्या हो गया, why you are crying, क्या हो गया, खराब सपना देखा है. And I keep crying and I hugging her. My biggest fear was that what will happen if my family members what will happen if my parents will die. I used to think about it and I used to cry and I only think that अरे क्या होगा तब, हम ये लोग को दोबारा देखने नहीं मिलेगा ज़िंदगी में. How would it will feel to me like that. That was the biggest fear I used to have, that what will happen. But after that I went to my hostel and this and that fear went out. I think जैसे जैसे बड़ा होते गया तो fear overcome हो गया. Somehow still that scares me a big time, but I think this is life. We need to deal with everything. We have not come with any validity, so I should not think about it and people should not be scared of that also, na. But I was very young then, so वो ख्याल बहुत आता था मुझे, and I used to cry whole night, every night. So that is it. Thank you Kornoy for reminiscing my childhood memories. To you Kornoy, आपका आवाज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है, and keep singing and I'll always support you. Thank you bestie Mr. Takebuda for this सबसे irritating question.
हाय ज्योति, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स ऐड करने के लिए कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन. और हम आपका हर वीडियो देखा है जो कि बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको. सो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपसे ये है कि रसोड़े में कौन था?
जब आप ये वीडियो मुझे फर्स्ट टाइम भेजा था मेरे व्हाट्सएप में, आई वाज सो कंफ्यूज्ड दैट रसोई में कौन था. एंड जैसे जैसे दिन पास होते गए एंड माय कजिन यापा हैज टेक्ड मी ऑन फेसबुक, रसोई में कौन था ऑन दैट वीडियो, दैट आई गॉट टू फाइंड आउट दैट रसोई में कौन था. तो I'll upload that video now you guys all watch it. रसोई में कौन था. And thank you for your question.
गई थी तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? हाँ कौन था? मैं थी, तुम थी, मैं थी, तुम थी. कौन था? ये राशि.
Hi my dear Jyoti, how are you? Firstly congratulations, आपके 1K सब्सक्राइबर पूरे हो चुके हैं. एंड आज मैं आपको पूछने वाली हूँ that how to stay happy with yourself. जैसा कि मैं आपको जानती हूँ, आप बहुत ही strong and cool kind of person हो, so I'm sure that you will give me the best answer for this. That's all. Bye.
Thank you Jonnam for your Jonnam Saring for your question, and I remember you that I was your judge once in the Miss Lunar 2019 in rowing. I was your judge then. Then I was asking you, and luckily I got to ask you a question. And today it's a vice versa. So that you are asking me a question, and that too a very beautiful one. Thank you for your question, dear. I think being happy is a choice that you choose to be happy. We have so many problems in our life, but we don't choose to show that to people because it's not necessary, and it's not important also, because happiness is very important. Because in my previous answer also I said we don't come with a validity, so we need to stay happy. You need to take things in a very positive way. That is the only key to staying happy.
Hello Jyoti, how are you? I have a very simple question for you, and it is, where do you see yourself 5 years from now? Okay? Thank you, and eagerly waiting for your next video. Take care.
Hello Tomnya, my chota abo. Thank you for your question. So my answer for your question is, where I see myself after 5 years. I don't see myself anywhere from 5 years. Maybe I'll be a mother to my kids, and a beautiful wife to my husband, and a loving daughter-in-law to my in-laws. And maybe I'll make my boutique Me and Bay to a more in a bigger platform, or maybe I'll get promoted to A. Just kidding, it's not happening any soon, but just like that. After 5 years, I see myself as to be a very normal girl, living her life and eating good food, making good for my loved ones, and doing my job and doing my business, and still be doing this vlogging with my kids around if I get married then. So this is the only dream I have. Like, I don't dream too big, and whatever I dream, I fulfill it. Make sure my dreams are small, and so I can fulfill it anytime I want. And आप और मेरे में खुश रहना हमेशा.
Hello Jyoti, hope you're doing fantastic and happy solo. It's been really interesting watching people ask you questions, making a video and sending you, and you're putting them in your stories, and also you're gonna put them in your blog. So I'm really excited about my questions also. In fact, I would like to ask 2 questions if you allow me. Well, the first is, if you could go back 5 years, what would you change about your future? And the second is, how do you think your closest friends would describe you? Thank you for letting me do this, and I really wish to watch you answer my questions ASAP. And take care till then. Peace.
Hello Jingle, thank you for your question, and I love your voice. It's so nice. If I have to change something, then there's nothing I would like to change, because I have learned so many things from my past that I don't want to change anything. And I'm so happy that I have learned so many things from my past, and I have so many things to learn from my future also that will become past one day. I don't have anything to change from my past. I'm happy, and if my friends have to describe me, then it's better my friends would say, but they always keep saying, Jyoti, you are overprotective, you don't have to include in everything. They always say like that, and keep saying, you are the most irritating person we know, and they love me, and that is it. Okay, Jingle, thank you for your question. This was short, I think, but I don't have anything to change in my past. Everything was beautiful, everything was a lesson that I have learned, and I have learned so many things from that I have become Jyoti Rading today. Now I feel I'm very strong to handle everything, so I believe everything was written before, and I have completed my cycle, and I am in my new cycle that I am taking my past as my strength. Thank you.
From both of each other, but still I think I do have a question to ask you now, and my question would be, what is your secret, how you maintain your fit? And so this was my question to you. I expect that I get the answer. And best of luck for your future. I'll pray for you that you reach your goals and a lot of happiness in your life. Love you, Jyoti.
Hello Jasmine, thank you for your question. And हम दोनों तो छोटा से ही फ्रेंड्स है ना, लाइक फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड ना. वी वर classmates since class 7 or 6, no, in Kinka Public School. And we used to have a gang, and anyway was also there. It was chicken gangs, chicken girls. So my answer to you is how I maintain my body. I don't maintain my body. I eat a lot. Like I have nothing to do. I just eat and eat and eat. Eating is the best thing I could do. So I think my body is constantly in the same weight and same structure, I think. तो इसके लिए I don't get very fatty or I don't lose very lose weight. I always stay same because of that, I think, because I eat every time so much. There's no limit of me eating. So, and thank you Jasmine, and I miss auntie also. So thank you for your support. I love you too.
Hello, Miss Jyoti Radin. This is Mr. Beck, and I'm here to ask you 2 questions about you. The point 1 is, when are you going to marry? And point number 2 is, what is the most valuable thing in your life? So just tell us and let people know about you. Take care.
Hi Mimi, ये छोटे यार बुबू कांगों कबित मोयोंग. सो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि आप अपना ब्लॉग में, हर ब्लॉग में आप इतना चार्म के साथ, इतने एनर्जी के साथ, इतना कॉन्फिडेंट के साथ आप कैसे बनाते हो, जबकि आप एक गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है जो बहुत हेडेक वाला जॉब है. स्टिल आपका हर ब्लॉग बहुत सुंदर, बहुत प्यारा होता है. वही एनर्जी के साथ, सेम एनर्जी के साथ हमेशा बनाते हैं. और हम वही पूछना है कि आप कहाँ से लाते हो इतना एनर्जी. थैंक यू.
Hello छोटे Bubu, thank you for your question and I love that. First thing first, मेरा एनर्जी तो फुल ऑन है. लाइक आई एम अ वेरी वेरी ओवर स्मार्ट गर्ल, और मेरा एनर्जी खुद के निकलता है व्हेन आई टॉक इन अ वीडियो. एंड व्हेन आई मेक वीडियोस एनर्जी मेरा खुद आ जाता है. तो बीइंग इन अ गवर्नमेंट जॉब, लाइक यू आस्क, it's not very hectic. Like if you know how to balance your life, it's very easy. So I balance things, and then videos तो पता नहीं बचपन से ही that कैमरा वाला थिंग तो आई लव. छोटा में भी मैं आई यूज टू हैव दैट कोडेक कैमरा एंड ऑल, नो. बचपन से ही था मेरा पास. आई यूज टू पोज एवरी नाउ एंड देन. सो तो ये तो बचपन से ही था इन बिल्ट. तो ये एनर्जी खुद आ जाता है. दिस इज आई फाइनली कंप्लीटेड माई Q&A वीडियो. And I think I have replied in a very short way, but I could not help it because I don't have anything to tell you guys. Like I don't have much to, everyone asking about me getting married and this and that only. And then I really appreciate your support, and thank you all for supporting me always. And I'll end my vlog here. And I have to tell you guys that I am leaving for Anini on this 23rd. I'll be vlogging of Anini, and then after that I'm going on a trekking, which will take like 7 to 8 days, the full trekking dates. So I'll vlog. My next vlog will be all about 7-leg trek. Hope you all will watch it and you will love it, because that will be in my wonders. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep loving. Bye. Stay happy and take care.